This is your energy summative. You should have put your name at the top and your period number. We are going to start with the pictures that you see on the front of your test. You are going to use the word bank right here to match the picture to fill in the best type of energy that describes it. So you are going to look at the picture, think about what is the best energy that describes that picture, and then write it in. You will use each energy once. So once you use it, you can cross it off. There might be more than one energy for a picture. You need to choose the best one. The 8 energies are listed at the top. The first picture is a light bulb. What type of energy does a light bulb have? Press pause to fill in your answer. Press play when you're done. Next, you have a cord that is plugged into the wall. What type of energy is that? Press pause to write that. Press play when you're done. Next, you have a car driving on a straight road. What type of energy is that? Press pause to write that. Press play when you're done. Then, a roller coaster on top of the hill. What type of energy is that? Press pause to write it. Press play when you're done. The fifth picture is a ball rolling in the middle of a hill. So it's rolling down and it's in the middle. What type of energy is that? Write it here. Press pause to do it. Press play when you're done. Next, fire. What type of energy does fire have? Press pause to write it. Press play when you're done. Next, you have a person yelling. What type of energy does a person yelling have? Press pause to write that. Press play when you're done. Your last picture is a battery. What type of energy does a battery have? Press pause to fill that in. Press play when you're done. The next part of your test says circle all the forms of energy that are used when the Chromebook is on. We are going to say that the Chromebook is on and charged. And charged. So imagine opening up your Chromebook. It is already on. What do you see? What do you do after that? And what energy transformations happen? Circle all of the forms of energy that are used when the Chromebook is on and charged. Circle the energies here. Press pause to do that. Press play when you're done. Next, you need to choose the first 3 forms of energy that make a lamp work. So here are the 8 energies. Circle the first 3 that make a lamp work. So what does a lamp have to have in the first 3 steps? Once you have them circled, you need to order them. Order the first 3 into first, second, and third. So what has to happen first? What energy happens next? And then what is the next energy? Press pause to fill this in. Press play when you're done. The next question says use the words potential and kinetic to fill in the blanks in the sentences below. The first sentence says, when a roller coaster car is at the top of a hill, it has blank energy. Is that potential or kinetic when it's at the top of the hill? When the car is at the bottom of the hill, it has blank energy. Potential or kinetic? Fill these 2 blanks in. Press pause to do that. Press play when you're done. The last part of your test says, explain where energy is kinetic, potential, mechanical, P to K, and mechanical, P K to P in the picture. So you have 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1, the ball is at the top, the starting position. It goes down at the bottom, and then it goes back up to the top. What does it have at number 1? And why? What does it have at number 2? And why? What does it have at number 3? And why? What does it have at number 4? And why? All of the options you will need for right here are listed at the top. Press pause to fill this in. Press play when you're done. You are now done with your energy summative. You can review this video at any time to listen for more instructions on the answers you've missed. Good luck!